All right, y'all. So we are doing a refill. When y'all come in, I expect you to look like this. I expect to see lashes. I know we're going to take off some that might be hanging and things of that sort. But sometimes clients come in and they're completely bald. And I am supposed to upcharge if you're completely bald, okay? Like if you come in with like 4 lashes, I am supposed to upcharge. For the past 8 years, I have not upcharged you because I love you. So I say that to say, please be mindful when you're coming in, moving forward, because, you know, we have to be able to price what the service, what you're doing in the service. So the things that I'm doing in the service, if it takes more time and stuff like that, we have to start upcharging. So take care of your lashes. Okay, so to all my inspiring or aspiring lash techs, this is what you want to do when a person comes in for a refill. You want to fish through the lashes and you want to pick out ones that are outgrown. I don't know if y'all can see this, but these are outgrown when the lash base is no longer close to the root, like close to the eyelid where you placed it. That means it needs to come off, okay? So there's nothing wrong with this. This just means that her hair was growing out. When your hair grows out, your lashes should fall off when that hair falls off. But if it doesn't fall off, that just means that the hair was strong or whatever the case may be, and you have to remove it. So as you can see here, you can see some of them are long, some of them are medium length, some of them are still in place as I put them. The ones that seem to be out of, you want to take these off because when you place more on, they're not gonna look in sync anymore. So like over here too, you can see like these are outgrown, this is outgrown, this is outgrown, so they just have to be removed. These ones fell off, and you see how long these are? These lashes are at the final stage of growth because there's different stages. All right, so now we're going to remove those. Okay, so here are the lashes that we removed, and we removed manually doing the twist off method. This does not hurt. You just have to be careful when you're twisting. And if it does start hurting your client, you want to just leave that lash be. And then this is how her lashes look. And we're ready to do the tape back method and prepare for the actual refill process. So we're doing a cat eye look. We're going to do 16s here. This marker's not showing like I want to. 16s, we're going to do 14s, we're going to do 12s, and then here I'm going to do 8s and 10s. I might even do some, I don't know, I kind of want it to look slightly dramatic, so those are the numbers we're going to do, and I can't write it down because all my markers are out. Okay. Well, I'm a freestyler anyway. I was just doing that to show y'all, but y'all get it. All right, so I did one side. This is the tape back method. This is a method that helps you cut your time. It's my favorite method. So as you can see here, we didn't put any lashes on the end. As you can see here, we already have this side mostly filled up, and we literally just did this in like, what would you say, Alexis, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Yeah. Maybe like 10 minutes. So this is the tape back method. You do have to have the proper tape. I would not try this if you don't know what you're doing. But practice it and you'll get it right. All right, so now we're going to do this side.
Chris Brown tomorrow.
They are ready to be seen, honey.
Usher too. I don't discriminate.
Yes, 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 yes. Just look up for me. Oh, man. Oh, man.